So there's a fungus here. As you can see, these mushrooms are exploding up through the mulch. No worry, mushrooms love to feed on decaying organic material, as you can see here from the mulch. It has been raining intensely here for about 2 weeks. Mushrooms, fungal spores love moisture. So again, they're growing, exploding up through this mulch. Here's one that's trying to come up here now, it's a little baby one. So the mushrooms are just the fruiting bodies of the fungus itself. The fungal spores actually love wet conditions. They will grow because of those wet conditions. So these mushrooms are not harmful to your plants. They're just fine. These are not going to be a huge problem. So what you can do is you can actually pick them off by hand, or you can just grab a rake and just kind of rake them out. Once it dries out, they're pretty much start to shrivel up and go away. So again, mushroom fungus exploding up through the mulch. Pretty neat, huh?